Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today on 5150 we're going to mix it up. We're going to do a little different video today. We're going to take a road trip. We have a new project. We're going to show you what we're doing, but on our way out there we're going to go ahead and drop off this beautiful K-Code Mustang. 65 K-Code convertible. So we're going to go ahead and load it up on our trailer, and we got a long trip. We're going to be heading out to Utah, out to Beaver. We're going to meet my brother. We're going to switch vehicles when we get out there, so we'll show you the trip on the way. Put the brake on and we might have to pull it back. We got the 65 convertible Mustang K-Code loaded up, strapped down. We're gonna go ahead and finish packing up and get on the road. See you in a few. Alright guys, we're super excited. We're getting a new project for 5150. It's super cool. We're coming up to Vegas. We're about halfway there. Little hint, we're heading out to Cedar City, Utah. Gonna meet my bro, John. We're gonna do a little switcheroo. All right, see you shortly. Alright guys, had a really interesting night last night. Ran into some mechanical problems, got it all fixed out, but we ended up losing a hub and our trailer, but made it here in Cedar City, Utah. Made it here about 1 o'clock in the morning. We ended up staying here at the Holiday Inn Express 06 LJ Rubicon. Super clean. It's going to be a new project. Haven't decided what we're going to do to it. Hey, leave us some notes in the comments what you'd like us to do. We're thinking about putting 60s front and rear. Not 100% sure, maybe high lines. This thing's super clean. So on this front hub here, we ended up losing bearings on it. We just repacked them and stuff. I don't know what happened. So last night, guys, around 12 o'clock, we were running through the Virgin River Gulch, which is basically right out of Vegas, where you hit Arizona, come into Utah, kind of windy through there. Get some there's some road construction right out of the windy areas. Luckily for us, we end up losing a hub bearing on our trailer, so we had to fix that in the middle of the road. Well, not fix it, pull the hub off. Bearings were totally thrashed. Bigger problem we had is yeah, the races were seized on it really bad, so we're having a hard time on the side of the road, middle of the night, traffic going 80-90 miles an hour. So we decided, all right, we're just going to strap up the axle, pull the 65 convertible K-code Mustang off the trailer, and we drive it in. Took it to the first off ramp, and we're noticing the Mustang was having problems shifting, and we couldn't get out of first gear, so no way we could drive that another 60 miles to Cedar City or so to meet my bro to do our switcheroo. Anyways, we decided, we called him at the hotel. He came down, picked us up, pulled out the Jeep we have in the back, put the Mustang in his enclosed trailer. We woke up this morning, we just ran over to AutoZone, ended up getting some new bearing buddies, and got the race off. Ended up doing that last night, waiting with my bro John to get there for us. We got the races off. We did nick up the spindle a little bit, you know, and anyways, we're able to file that down this morning, use some sandpaper file, and use some emery cloth on it. Got the bearing back on, and we're back on the road. So here we are, Sunday afternoon. Hopefully we're not going to hit too much of that Vegas traffic. We're trying to avoid that, but who knows, we may hit it. Anyways, we'll do a little sightseeing on the way, and I'll come back with you guys shortly. Guys, it's got a 4.0. It's got it's an automatic. I think a 42L RE or something like that. 42R LE. The color's called Impact Orange. It looks red on camera. It's actually a really sweet looking orange. So it's got a like a Tuffy box, a little radio, some type of seat cover, driven by design cover. It's just your basic interior. Let's open the hood. It's actually really clean. Interstate battery. Looks like it's got a K&N air filter system. We'll clean up the wiring in the back with the rainbow. With the rainbow tie straps. So pretty cool. Got a winch on it, KC lights, old style, old school, Warren M8000. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And please, in the show notes, leave a comment saying what you like us to do with this LJ.